if somebody's eating just plant-based, is this person at risk for an imbalance? And that's what happened with me, is I went more and more towards the plant-based way. And ultimately I evolved to embrace that. It wasn't really a conscious cognitive choice so much as it was just that's where I was being pulled. That's where I felt like going. But the short answer to that is yes. That if somebody is just eating plant-based as compared with eating animal meats, now you can talk about the differences and the liabilities of eating animal products versus just eating plant-based. That's a separate discussion. But just looking at if you're just plant-based, forgetting about the advantages of doing that, there are some liabilities. In fact, there are nutrients which are much less abundant in plant-based foods and much more abundant in meat and fish and dairy and eggs. And that would include things like vitamin D, vitamin A, choline, vitamin B12, iodine, zinc, and iron, to name a few. And the other thing is that even livestock farmers and dairy farmers, they understand nutrition, and they'll actually supplement their animals in many cases. And that can result in more nutrients being found in the ultimate animal tissue that gets consumed. And the other advantage that people who eat animal products have in some cases is a lot of these animal products have a better amount of omega-3s as compared to omega-6s. Now there's another segment which is detailing that phenomenon. It's very important because it helps control levels of inflammation and balance in the body. But basically, someone who's just eating plant-based, I would say, is more of at risk of having an imbalance of too much omega-6s and not enough omega-3s. It's harder to get that in the plant-based world. There's a lot more animal products that have high omega-3s as compared with plant products. So those are some of the liabilities if you're eating plant-based. And I'm not saying that to say start eating meat or eggs or whatever, if that's not what you want to do. It's important for me to understand personally if you find something so amazing like raw foods that help save my life literally, and if I eat plant-based, I feel great, I'm so energized and all these great things, but I need to know the full picture. I want to understand the full picture, the liabilities, the downsides. What are the shortages? What are the imbalances, if any? And these are the ones that I've found.